Welcome to January's Leetcode challenge. Today's problem is get maximum in generated array. You are given an integer n. An array of nums of length n plus 1 is generated in the following way. So nums 0 equals 0, nums 1 equals 1. Now nums 2 times I equals nums I when the value is less than the n, less than or equal to n. And nums 2 times I plus 1 equals nums I plus nums I plus 1 when the I is less than n. So basically what's going on here is 0 and 1 equals 0, 1. And if it's everything else, if it's even, then we can divide that index number by 2 and get that value that's in the halved value. So those are for evens. But for odds, we are going to take whatever the half even value is plus the half plus I plus 1, add those together, and that's going to be the value for any odd numbers. All right, so to do this, we're going to have to iterate down the line, right, from 0 to n. And we want to think, well, do we want to do this recursively, or can we do this just iteratively? And because we need to store some values here previously for like the half value from the index that we're on, we're probably going to have to create some sort of temp array to store these values in. If you look at the hint, all they tell you is, well, try generating the array. So really that kind of tells us, let's just do this straightforward. This is probably a straightforward solution, and let's see what we can generate here. So let's initialize an array, call that temp, and we'll say for I in range of from 0 to n, but remember this is going to be a length of n plus 1, so we should have n plus 1 here. Now what we're going to do is first take care of the base case. So if I equals 0, we want to append to our temp array 0. Otherwise, if it equals to 1, we want to append 1 to our array. Now, what about all the other ones? Well, I know they word it very strangely, but really all this is saying is if it's even, then divide that number by 2 and get whatever value is in that index number. So we'll say if I is even. To do that, we can use the modular and say if this equals 0. Well then, take our temp, and what we're going to do is append. We're going to kind of self-call itself and say get the value that's divided by 2. So if it was like 2, then that's going to equal 1, and we're going to add that to our temp array. Otherwise, the only other case is that it's even, so what we have to do there is still pretty similar, but we are also going to add the temp I divided by 2 plus 1. So this, I think I might have to put some parentheses here. And that should generate all the numbers. And now all we need to do is return the max integer inside of this array. So just to do that, we can just say max of temp. So let's make sure this works. It looks like it's working, so let's submit that. And there we go, accepted. That was straightforward, surprisingly. You might have gotten a little confused at, oh, are we able to do like self-referential appends here? And we can, so that's good. And if we want to use constant space, could we do that? That's a little bit trickier. I actually don't know if we can, because normally when we do constant space, we can like store the previous couple numbers, maybe 1, 2 numbers. But here, because we're always dividing it by 2, we have to store everything, because as we keep continuing on, like the previous ones that we're going to have to check back on keep changing. So we have to store everything that we previously had. You could do this recursively, maybe, you know, using some cache, but that's like, it's just overcomplicating it for no reason. Like this is much easier. So I think we'll end it there. All right, thanks for watching my channel, and remember, do not trust me, I know nothing.